The winter season is an opportunity to get away and spend time with family, friends, or just go away on holiday. Although homeowners do their best to ensure their heat is maintained at a reasonable temperature, sometimes they return home to a nightmare: frozen pipes. Oftentimes, homeowners do not even realize they have a problem. That's because frozen pipes are not an issue until the weather warms up and the pipes start to thaw. Typically, a tall tale sign that you may have a frozen pipe problem is reduced or no flow out of plumbing fixture like your faucet or shower. Other areas where you may encounter frozen pipes include areas against exterior walls where your water service enters your home through the foundation. With approaching temperatures hitting single digits, homeowners and business owners are faced with the nightmare of frozen pipes. When water freezes, it expands by about 9%, causing an increase in pipe pressure, which can lead to pipes cracking or bursting. Policyholders can take some precautions to prevent frozen pipes, including 1. Stabilize your thermostat by setting the same temperature day and night. 2. Disconnect outside sprinkler hoses. 3. Open cabinet doors to let heat in. 4. Seal leaks with caulk or insulation. 5. Insulate pipes. The above are great tips for prevention, but what happens if you're one of the unfortunate property owners to face a burst pipe? In many cases, the burst pipe will send ice and freezing cold water into surrounding material, such as drywall, which can be expensive. First and foremost, turn off your water supply immediately to prevent additional damage. Next, ensure you call United Public Adjusters, who will begin documenting the extent of damages and reviewing your insurance policy to ensure your policy provides coverage. Assuming that you maintain heat in your home and shut off the water supply when your home is unoccupied, the policy should cover the pipe burst as sudden accidental discharge of water from a plumbing source. A good public adjuster will tackle all aspects of the property insurance claim on your behalf, fiercely negotiating to ensure you are compensated for every dollar you are owed and to get your payment quickly. Public adjusters such as United Public Adjusters and Appraisers will ensure to complete a thorough inspection to detail all the damages and to pinpoint the cause of loss. Public adjusters also prepare detailed estimates and inventories for both the building and personal property. If you experience water damage due to frozen pipes, call United Public Adjusters and Appraisers. We are here to help navigate through the entire insurance claims process to ensure you get back on your feet as soon as possible with a quick recovery. 1-800-718-LOSS.